So, pag ganitong problem, convert 0.95 into a fractions, importanteng marunong kang magbasa ng decimals. Usually, ang pagbabasa ng karamihan ay 0.95. Yan yung karamihang pagbabasa ng decimal, 0.95. So, kung marunong kang magbasa na yung ibang way ng pagbabasa ng ganito, that is 95 hundredths. 0.95 ay 95 hundredths. Okay, so knowing yung mga place value. So, yung malapit sa, yung katabi ng point, that is tenths. Then, yung 5, yung 9 ay tenths, yung 5 ay hundredths. So, ang basa dito ay 95 hundredths. So, pag ganun, sinasabi na sa'yo yung fraction niya. So, from the way you read it, 95 hundredths, so that is, it become 95 over 100. So, isi-simplify na lang natin siya. That is, may GCF na 5. So, divide natin ng 5. That is equal to 119 over 95 divided by 5 is 19. Then, 100 divided by 5 is 20. So, equivalent fraction of 0.95 or 95 hundredths is 19 over 20. Okay, I hope na meron kayong nakuhang insight kung paano mag-convert ng decimal to fraction. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.